Now, what is the Pakistani film industry offering for the audiences on this festive occasion? Well, let me tell you. 4 films are going to be released today, including Parvez Rana's directorial venture company. Besides that, the star-studded Punjabi film Nach Ke Yaar Manana Hai with the lead cast Shan, Saima and Sana is also going to be released today. Nach Ke Yaar Manana Hai, a Punjabi film which is jointly produced by Syed Noor and Safdar Malik and directed by Masood Butt.
The script is based on two women, two girls, and I'm playing and other actors are playing the other role.
This mega flic's music has also generated attention, but it has less to do with melodious sound and more with the dance moves of the central characters Saima and Sana. And while this star-studded production is expected to churn big bucks, it is sure to get tough competition from Parvez Rana's company. The film stars a lot of new faces along with Aslam Ghada in the lead role. Interestingly enough, Aslam is also the producer of the film. Talking to Dawn News, he narrated a freak accident which took place during shooting of the film's climax.
चूँकि 5 फुट की हाइट पे आग थी, तो मैंने उस आग को हाई जंप किया। जैसे ही मैंने जंप किया तो मेरे नीचे से एक और बम ब्लास्ट हो गया। यानी कि बिल्कुल मेरे नीचे ब्लास्ट हुआ, तो वो आप देख रही हैं कि मेरा हाथ इस वक्त इस हाथ ने मेरे चेहरे को बचा लिया।
The third film to be screened on Eid is Iqbal Bhatti's Red Light Hotel. A low-budget production, Red Light Hotel goes even a step further in terms of its cast, which is completely new. The film's posters are suggestive of its quality. The fourth film is Shan's Gujjar Badshah, which due to reasons unknown has been cancelled for screening just 2 days before Eid. All the Pakistani movies which are to be screened on Eid have been abjectly promoted. Even industry people are hardly aware of these glittering Eid attractions.
आप यकीन करें, मुझे वाकई नहीं पता कि ईद पे कौन सी लग रही है और कौन सी नहीं लग रही।
सैयद नूर साहब की 2 फिल्में हैं, वो जब भी आएंगी इंशाल्लाह, क्योंकि नूर साहब की सारी फिल्में अच्छी ही होती हैं।
अभी तो खैर इस ईद पे ऑलमोस्ट पाकिस्तानी फिल्म्स आर very few in number on this Eid. I think most probably Indian films ही लग रही हैं.
And in stark contrast, 2 heavily promoted Indian films are set to entertain Pakistani audiences and give tough competition to the poorly promoted Pakistani films. The first one is Rani Shahid starrer Dil Bole Hadippa. Salman Khan's film Wanted will clash with Rani's latest flick. The film also stars Aisha Takia and Mahesh Manjrekar. If international movie reviewers are anything to go by, it is a strictly average entertainer. So the limelight remains on Dil Bole Hadippa. It's nice to see Pakistani films are being made, but what we need are quality films with fresh faces that will encourage people to come back to cinemas and watch our own Pakistani films. That's all from me, Henna Saeed in Lahore.